So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to set up your direct deposit on your Navy Federal. So first, you need to access your web browser, which is, in my case, I use Google Chrome. And after that, you need to search for this URL, which is the navyfederal.org/checking savings and such. When you're in the website already, you just have to scroll it down until you see this page, which is the step-by-step process on how to set up your direct deposit on your Navy Federal. So first, you just have to sign in on their mobile app or their mobile banking. And after that, you need to go to the account summary page and select the account that you wanted your paycheck to be deposited. After that, you need to scroll down to the other section next to the direct deposit and select manage, and you have to find the employer and search for the employer's name in the search box. And then you can just have download your payroll credentials and add your deposit amount. And that's how you set up your direct deposit on your Navy Federal.